various difficulties moving from building 2 or 3 extravagance vehicles to delivering one that is gone for standard purchasers. The Model Y is additionally focusing on this last gathering. But then, in spite of everything, Tesla is pushing forward on this one, as Reuters additionally noted. With another auto show, automakers ordinarily pick parts providers 2 to more than 2 years previously the beginning of creation. At around 1.5 years away, a November 2019 begin date for the Model Y would be viewed as forceful, however conceivable, said one of the sources. A shorter course of events is possibly achievable, the source stated, as the Model Y will be based on an indistinguishable stage from the Model 3. And how about we not overlook this? Tesla's semi-generation is likewise slated to commence at some point in 2019 too. The next year, the cutting-edge Roadster is expected. Obviously, Tesla has a great deal on its plate now and throughout the following couple of years. From the strong Mercedes-AMG Project 1, to the up-and-coming BMW Series 8 series, render craftsman Jane Pysert of Pysert Design has completed an excellent activity at picturing probably the most foreseen autos that presently can't seem to be uncovered in full. A week ago, Tesla discharged a secret picture of the up-and-coming Model Y, an all-electric hybrid SUV situated underneath the bigger Model X,